Alright guys, welcome to the Friday directions video. On second thought, I figured there's really no reason to meet. We're just basically meeting for attendance, so I figured we'll just keep it like we do every day of the week. Just check in right here, no meeting, check in here, just say you're here. And once you've checked in, now it's time to start the important part of our day, which is the review guide. So I have the Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 study guide here. You'll be able to click on this. And just like before, what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to make your own copy of this once this all kind of loads up. What you're going to do is you're going to click File, Make a Copy, and then you'll be able to type right in here. So as you can see, this goes in line with our PowerPoints. This goes in line with our chapter. So Chapter 1 and 2 quiz. So what's going to happen is this will be like our first PowerPoint ever. And as we kind of scroll through, it's going to be more towards the stuff that we were focusing on, like yesterday, for example. So it kind of makes its way through there. A lot of these are the board questions. So what you do for the review, the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to just go with the PowerPoint. So for place and all the other 5 themes, we know that's the 5 themes of geography. So that's Chapter 1. So what I would do is I would find all the PowerPoints and know where they're at. So the 5 themes here, I would just click on that. So I'm looking for place, location, human, environment, interaction. And again, my phone goes off again. Classic video with me. Not a single one has gone without the phone interruption. So we have this here. And again, now we're just jotting down the things in yellow for the most part. So my first one's place. So I would jot down place, what it's like, what kind of place is it, describe place in terms of both physical and human characteristics. And then just jot this down right there. Obviously, if you have the board questions, you can use that to guide you a little bit more compared to just going through the notes. So just go through the PowerPoints and just fill in the categories as you go. Obviously, the regions will be one, and then political maps. So obviously now we've kind of moved into the contour map, relief map. Obviously, we've moved into the map PowerPoint. So once you get done kind of filling in the key stuff for each category, just close out of that PowerPoint. And then we'll just keep scrolling through. So I'm looking for the types of maps. There it is. Click on that. And then now I'll use this PowerPoint to fill in the map part and so on and so forth. But obviously, if you have the board questions, just use the board questions to help you out. Okay, if you know you have every single one. If you're kind of I do the board questions sometimes, I sometimes don't do the board questions, then maybe go back through with the PowerPoint. But obviously, if you know who Alfred Wegener is, then you don't have to write anything. This is your study guide. So if you know who Alfred Wegener is, or if you know what Pangea is, no need to write anything. You already got it down. And this is for you. I don't grade the study guide for points or anything. So this is just for you guys in your studying. So just go through, use the PowerPoints. I take the questions straight from the PowerPoint. Obviously, I take the board questions straight from the PowerPoint too. So if you have the board questions, like I said, you kind of get a little advanced. Like for weathering, you just need to answer the 3 questions that we did the other day, right? What is weathering? What causes weathering? And why is mechanical weathering special? So like, you know, if you are doing your job every day, you already have the quiz in your notebook and you should be ready to go. And this is just more kind of refreshing everything, especially stuff from Chapter 1, right? You know, the 5 themes, maps types, boundary types, Alfred Wegener, 3 things to make a volcano. So just go through this, type a few things in there that have been highlighted in the PowerPoint or have been highlighted on the board questions. And that's pretty much it, guys. Each one of these categories is a test question answer or will help you answer the test question. So go through it all. It'll take you maybe 10-15 minutes to do. And you should be squared away for the quiz. So I'm excited to see you guys next week. Remember, the Monday, Wednesday kids are taking the quiz on Monday, and the Tuesday, Thursday kids are taking the quiz on Tuesday. All right, and then we're moving on to Chapter 3. All right, guys, have a good day. Don't forget to check in here on the attendance post. You don't get marked absent, and then good luck working through the study guide. See ya.